Coach Kasim Mingle.
Story number 1.
It's not satisfied with a 4-1 win because pressure mount on him. Coach Bodu sitting on his neck. That information I picking it. I say, Nkofubi or nations team no one say Mingle need Africa experience. Enti Kabeyanka penfo no consider Bodu. That's something about the can one na say.
Babeng.
Area season na.
I say no obianse to obi anek.
Na tama etita ho dendenden. I issue e koso dendenden.
Me yana me challenge kakra me won say. Aka few matches Obo League. Why should these be stories are a team? No lose focus. Then you don't win the league. Yeah, I mean, say your man a cofa bow say go so na e said that cofa ba say bibiu. But they go Nyanji. League Nyanji. Over Africa you first have to win the league.
Yes.
Why are you having this discussion now? No, but Tobiasu jina yi. A league in the airborne. So why should this be part of your discussion?
Na enya coach a obetimi.
No credit.
But no we no o say wa she for one but onye satisfied.
Okay, and okay.
Send a coach. Obi say ball na anko said the ball na. So obi na emekwa we know the experience na go do Africa.
Wasn't bad, but not to my satisfaction. Especially in the first half, we wasted a lot of chances. I don't blame them. The way the competition is in the game, they want to score early for us to take the lead. That's why we continue wasting the chances. But it's football. Once they score, whatever happened in the first half, we're forgetting about that. We go and work on the mistakes they did. They want to cause an upset. When we came in the second half, we changed the face of our game. And they could not stand the tempo.
Pressure na eba no student no. Ama enya de a with me aye na ama na team. Tama. House board are divided over coach Abubakar Watara. 50-50. Ebinom say onko, ebinom say ontena. Na the contract expires in December. Compensation is the issue. The last 3 matches and position of on the league log will determine his and coach will determine his stay. And the coach wants Benjamin Asare to be imposed in the next game against Lions. House of Folk push for their next match to be brought forward on Friday. And the happening in House of Folk now. Now, Tama, Meti Makacha will say the talks to bring Patrick Razak back has reached its crescendo. This is the evidence of why Patrick Razak Ebano Tama Abbas Mokahubi. Na video no.
First of all, Mami Musa Jibo Muma say Obiti sign coach contract end in December.
Yeah, by the information just said the contract ends in December.
Watara signed 2.5 contracts, no. As official communique, I'm just going to.
How can you sign a coach contract in December?
And we have spoken to a top house personnel on one case confirming here.
This is the House of Folk appointed. They appointed it in February. But signing yes 2.5 year contract. Okay, about half season. So the half was to complete season now. Then the 2 years. Now,
in that case, or 1 year after this.
Yeah, he was signing 2.5 years.
You are surprised to be signing coaches over in December. Not December, and sign
me coach. The board of Accra House of Folk have the official statement of House of Folk. And I make a way.
Okay, official statement.
The board of Accra House of Folk have appointed Ivorian coach Abubakar Watara as the club's substantive head coach. His appointment takes immediate effect. Coach Watara has signed a 2.5 year contract with the club and is expected to start training next week when the team returns from this weekend's friendly against the Chima 11 Wonders. The statement from House of Folk.
Where the date when? The okay. Date when?
February 9th.
Okay, so 2.5 means 1 year more after this. Some league. The one for the only case I say, I see 20 years and some no credit.
Yo.
The mammy do wait the morning say I'll be surprised to send me. We were signing coach say we can't be in December. Now in December I know why then.
Because ye kwa na ye ka se
dem na why dem bu say team no 2025
ye kwa na ye ka se be edwum nti bu say ni bakọ no so December
onim ni bakro nim ka yen say so
ye be accept say
onim ka yen say so
but ye be kwa aba
mba bia ni wati
as the lobbying continues, Kotoko legends inform Karim Zito, if you want the job, tell us so that we'll help you secure it. And coach
legends meeting on ko kan we na
and Oma share that friend I can't no.
Friend meeting na.
Oh, set time in commodity there say wo.
Oh, so be one person can call you. So I'm just say is it legends?
If you are one person can be it represent the legends in view. Say e be ye didi e ho komo ye nu adwuma na e hu say opa ka kire na empem na tama technical advisor Malik Jaber so e de na no atum bi say ohwe senia adwuma na e kona when nye technical director
na legend nyom na de ogumba ya
any time yente Malik Jaber
me manza na mbato legend nyom na de ogumba ya
yete so mo
dia dance o tumfo
yete so mo de ne ba e dance e ho de mo ko kire o magin
oh nyom na de ne ba
ne ba de
no mo very influential and they have accepted publicly say omo kan ho ba
omo kan ho bi no ba e ka so mo de ne ba de omo kan ho bi
oh say when they sought their opinion
of course
they
gave it a green
now all of a sudden obi nza ma hu mbim na mo ko pa adwuma ma
say you know I lobbying
from the buy anye yi
eti Malik Jaber as so na no atum bi timer
no sir me pano even in the national team under 23 4 years he was my assistant. I will advise against that. Young man continue with the coaching now. Technical director need technical advisor. What is the difference? He is coach. I will support him because me for a long time we've been together. There's no need for anything.
When you technical director, technical advisor, mo man ko any coaching adwuma no so ba wo ye and no say hu ni handwritten and am penifon so do man no to be nemum no onwa ekuru nanim no mu se opa adwuma no na fe ndi so
man nwa ekuru anim
nye Zito
ah no we na adwuma so ko wai di anim ese o ye na adwuma
o se Zito no aka say interview ka say mo bi anko ye coach asem no wo ba as technical director enti se no say abasa opa adwuma na no wakana eriso
technical director nso yes how na Asante na da bi say we dey brofo na me person chie mi brofo le Kotoko sem technical director what do Asante
tama Kotoko IMC to visit Menchia today. Mission: money for player recruitment, Africa campaign, and technical directorate restructuring. Nti ense mi ensa we na de mpenifo ko Menchia ne. Tama.
All right. That's fine.
Ene ti bia no mbeko na
abaza kwa aba
na